How can, in the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we can have from number 1 to almost number 9 without a representation from a whole geopolitical zone? From the President, the Vice President, the Senate President, the Speaker, Deputy Senate President, Deputy Speaker, SGF, and Chief of Staff, and including the National Chairman of their party. They don't have BOT, so I will not count BOT for them. None is from the Southeast. None. And you expect people to be happy with you. Chairman, in your remarks, you did say and exactly captured the situation of our country today. We have never been this divided. The fault lines have been overstretched, and Nigerians are wondering what they are doing in this country. I'll tell you that that is a general concern virtually in every nook and cranny of this country. Where I am presiding over as governor of the state, Sokoto, neighboring Niger Republic, and we have communities that are not more than 10 kilometers to each other in Nigeria and Niger Republic. And I speak to you, some of those communities, once it is evening, move into Niger Republic, where they can sleep with their 2 eyes closed, and in the morning, they come back to Nigeria. So I quite understand how precarious our situation is in terms of insecurity and displacement of people of this country. I have multitudes of IDPs in my state, and we have been managing very, very troubling and worrisome security situation in my state. But you know our limitations as governors. We cannot do much. Possibly the much we may only be able to do, and thank God quite a number of you have had the experiences of being governors. I can see Governor Mimiko, I can see Governor Boni Haruna. We are very, very limited in what we can do as governors. The reason being that the entirety of our security architecture is centralized. There's no microphone. Oh, okay. It's centralized within the purview of the federal government at the center. And of course, we know what's happening with the federal government. A few weeks back, I was asked in Yenagoa, or a journalist alluded to the fact that Nigeria is on autopilot. I said, no. When you are on autopilot, at least you are sure that you are being technologically driven and you may land or have a safe landing. That is not the situation of Nigeria. It's exactly what it has been described by the chairman. It's rudderless. We're in a ship without a captain. We're in a ship that is clearly sinking. And it behoves all of us